My name is James Funkhauser. I'm from small town Carrollton, Ohio. I grew up around the farm, diesel trucks, and I didn't know squat about any high-performance vehicles, and I wanted to further my education, my knowledge, and tuner school popped up on one of the things, and I said, why not? And thought it was going to be a little joke kind of deal, like didn't expect it to be. I thought it was going to be like every other school. That's totally wrong. This is the only school of its kind. Like going from a bone stock Mustang to Pro Charged Mustang, you don't think it would be a huge difference with driving it and working on it. No, it's so much better whenever you hear it start up, take it to the dyno, makes good power, and take it to the drag strip and it runs good. It's an unbelievable feeling. You gotta come here. I mean, I don't know, it's a one-of-a-kind opportunity and definitely moments you'll cherish the rest of your life. It's definitely worth coming to all around.